Okay, quick little video. Thetford fridge. This just stopped springing. And look, the springs back. This one has stopped, so it doesn't always catch. For the model of the fridge, there's a sticker. So this one is an N3150. I think these are pretty standard. So you just want a T10. Torx. Just trying to do this one. And that comes off, and then what's actually happened is that spring there should be two of those little tails coming off that. You can buy them. There's one tail, there's the other tail, and then this, I can't do it just with one hand, this just comes apart, it just clips out. Just push that there like that, look. Yeah, go out and put the new spring in. That's shoved in, because I think it was £2.34 off eBay. Thetford fridge spring. Okay, that helps anybody. There's the spring back in, that located on there. And that's it now. Pull the screws in. Right. It's now working again. That's it. Stops your door flying out in your own corners.